Hello guys. Recently I just updated my A70 to new system software, and I already uploaded a video how to update this one. You can check this video on my channel on YouTube. So now I'm gonna show you what has been changed in this update. First, I'm going to the setting to show you that I already updated to the latest software version. You can see that here. Software update information, version, and the size of the file, and security patch level is 1st of May 2019, and there is details what has been added and improved with this update. So you can see that what's new: the performance of touchscreen has been improved, and the stability of camera has been improved. Added new feature, super steady mode on the rear camera. Overall stability of functions improved. The security of video has been improved as well, and there is a star mark. You can see that after updating you will not be able to downgrade to the old software because of update to the security policy. And you can see that a software update can include but is not limited to device stability improvement, bug fixes, new and or enhanced features, further improvement to performance. To get the best from your device, please keep your phone up to date and regularly check for software updates. And learn more at, you can see a link down there. So I'm gonna show you actually what has been added as a new feature on this A70. The first I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna open the camera up. So I'm gonna go to the video. So you can see on the top of the camera there is option, it's called super steady mode. So when I tap on it, the super steady mode is on, and if I tap on that again, it is off. This is the new feature for this camera. One more feature has been added to the A70 with this update, which is the fingerprint animation. So let's check this out. You can see the animation of the fingerprint has been changed to the blue. Before it was different color. Yeah, you can see that. I'm gonna check it again. Device performance is actually improved or not. I feel like it's little bit improvement on this software update, not much. You can't actually feel the difference between previous software and then this one, but still better than nothing. Thank you very much guys, and thanks for watching. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.